Everybody got a demon in them and they don't even know when the time really gonna come. Everybody really wanna fumble, everybody really wanna grumble. Everybody don't even know when the clock really gonna tick, when the clock really gonna stop now. Everybody looking left, everybody looking right, where you gonna really fall in the street like now. Everybody looking for a gift and a courtesy gift, world steady coming to an end, yeah, but we looking for the second dropper for the hour of the time for the all comes crumbling down. Yeah, but they looking for, what they being for, what they teaching for, what they looking for, when they knocking on the same damn doors, but they really gonna get around here too. Yeah, when they fit it with another 45, do they really gotta let loose around here? Think you really hear Lucifer scream, or think you really hear your soul aim? Look what you really just did before. How you really gonna get what you know? Live a life like this in the source, like you live a life like this and again. Gotta get where you gotta crawl at, gotta learn what you gotta walk at. Everybody really wanna body dop, but everybody really wanna did it bop. How you gonna really know what the aim? How you really know what to really rap when it really comes down like a boss? Everybody really wanna scrap up, everybody really wanna vibe up. It's just like that Pausellini, Freaky Murder, on the line, Gucciani, look for the frame done did the mind. Gotta hear in that same game, living life like another name. Now I feel it where I feel inside. Gotta hit it with that curfew, gotta bring it up with the double Glock. Here I is with that one round, flocka with that clocker out. Got that with my double M, got that with my double brim. Coming back with that same sign, living life with that basic facts. Yeah, I know what I see here. All these other artists' flaws. Yeah, I know when they go through it. Yeah, I know when they land on it. Everybody got an acapella. Why must I just acapella? Kill them down with that brown loud. Coming up with that loud pipe. Harucha, Lenio, Afinio. Gotta get what I gotta get. Maluccio. Yeah, I know what they love it for. Throw it up with that same sign. Boss up with that mob ties. Living left with them living left. Gotta get it right through the scene. Living up with that same line. Who got the fear with that fair line? Who got the fear with that heart of man? Rolling up like a king again. Back again like a king again. Living off in my presence. Living off in that essence. Caliban with that monkey time. Now they looking like where they at. Haru.